Dream is not something that you see while you sleep. Rather, dream is something that doesn't let you sleep. एक एक ऐसा सपना जो आपको सोने न दे, एक ऐसा सपना जो आपकी रातों की नींद उड़ा दे, वो एक सपना जिसे आप जीना तो चाहते हैं, बट यू कीप ऑन इग्नोरिंग इट जस्ट बिकॉज आपने उस सपने का सिर्फ एक ही पार्ट देखा है. And there is whole lot of things which are to be followed, but you haven't seen it. And that's the reason why you keep on ignoring that dream of yours. Well, friends, let me take this opportunity and tell you the fact that if you are still struggling to find the passion in your life, please don't ignore that dream. That dream is nothing but your passion. Your passion is something that can keep you awake all night, and still you will never feel tired about it. Just think about the fact that the buildings that you see out there, all the different fancy kind of shapes that you see out there, must have been thought into the dream of the architect before creating it on ground. So the building is actually created twice. Every building, one into the dream of the architect, and second is what we see on ground. And talk about any innovation in world, the first it is created in mind, and second is something that we see. Let me tell you a simple story, a small sweet story. 2014 के वर्ल्ड कप में there was a guy called Gabriel. 2014, I'm talking about 2014 Brazil, 2014 football world cup. This guy was from Brazil, rather is from Brazil. He was doing a simple job. He was doing a simple job of just painting the walls, and in Brazil, and we all know the kind of craze that Brazil has for the football. So, being a normal fan, he got inspired, and he must have dreamt though at that day that why shouldn't I also start playing football? That was 2014 World Cup. Down the line, 2018, he represented his country in 2018 World Cup. Do you think this could have been possible if he wouldn't have dreamt about it? चलिए ब्राजील को साइड में रखते हैं. हमारे देश के सबसे बड़े इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट मिस्टर धीरूभाई अंबानी ने कभी एक सपना देखा था. क्या आपको लगता है कि उस समय अगर उन्होंने उस सपने को सच करने की ख्वाहिश नहीं रखी होती, उस एक सपने को सच करने के लिए एफर्ट्स नहीं किए होते, तो रिलायंस आज जहां है, हमने कभी भी सोचा होता कि रिलायंस वहां हो सकता था? So guys, if you are dreaming about it and ignoring about it, I think it is high time that you should start living your dreams. You should start thinking about those dreams even while you are awake. Try and translate that into the real ideas. Try and implement those ideas outside, which people can see and admire. And remember just a simple thing: if anyone can stop you while you are on your journey to achieving that dream, that someone is no one but you. So stop giving excuses to yourself. Start living your dream today. And as they say, जो सपने देखते हैं उनके सपनों में बहुत जान होती है, पर सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से ही उड़ान होती है.